we need to form a greatest 4-digit number and the least 4-digit number by using the given numbers 7, 5, 0, 1. Okay, arrange them in a descending order. You will get the 4-digit highest number. So first one is 7, second one is 5, next one is 1 and 0. And reverse all these numbers. But if I reverse, it will become 3-digit number. That is why first write 1 here and then 0. Now 5 and 7. This is our least number. Take difference of these two numbers. Okay, so here it will be 5, 4, 6. 6, 4, 5, 3 is the right answer. Second one is the right one. Kanta has 5 dozen chocolates. She gives 1/6 of these to Aruna. First 5 dozens means total we have 60 chocolates. Out of these 60, she has given 1/6 to Aruna. That means 10 she gave to Aruna. And 1/5 of the remaining means we have 50 only. Out of this 50, 1/5 of remaining to Radha, which is 10 to Radha. Okay, she then gives 1/8 of the remaining chocolates to each of her 3 friends. Okay, out of this remaining 40, 1/8 of these 40 to 3 members, which is 8 ones are 8 fives are, so 5. These 5 chocolates to 3 friends, that means total 15. So if I add this 10, 10 and 15, total will be 35. So total we have initially 60. Out of the 60, total she distributed 35. She left with 25 chocolates now. So second one is the right answer here. Here we need to find the LCM of 96, 120, 160 and then HCF of 72, 160. First find the LCM of 96, 120 and 160. Okay. So 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 30s, 4 40s. Again 4 4 6 are 4 4 10s are. Okay, with the 10 6 10 3s are 10 1s are. So 3 table 3 2s are 3 1s are. Now multiply all these numbers here. 4 1s are 4 4 into 10 into 3 into 2 divided by. So now find the HCF of 72 and 168. 72 and 168 HCF. 4 1s are 4 8s are 4 4s are 4 2s are. Again 3 6s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. Again 2 3s are 2 7s are. So these are the common factors for these two numbers. So take multiply of these 3 numbers and we need to divide the LCM value with HCF. That is why I'm writing this value in the denominator. Okay, cancel these values. 3 3 4 4 4 10s are 40. 40 is the answer here, but there is no such option. That is why it will be added to all candidates. In this question they have given cost of 8 samosas. 8 samosa costs 156. So each samosa 165 by 8. 8 1s are 8 1s are 8. 8 9s are 72. We left with 40 means 8 5s are. That is each samosa costs 19.5 rupees here. Now 4 idlis is 98 rupees. 4 idlis 98 means each idli costs 98 by 4 means 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are. That is 24.5 rupees. 3 samosas, 3 idlis. How much money is left with her now? So initially she has 200 rupee note. So 3 samosas into 19.5 plus 3 samosas into 24.5. Now calculate these two values. Plus here 24.5 means 25 by 75, 73.5. Add up these two values. So 73.5 and 58.5. So 1, 12, 13. So 132 rupees. Initially she has 200. Deduct this 132. You will left with 68 rupees. So second one is the right answer here. 24 liters 650 ml of milk is filled in 29 bottles of each the same size. The quantity of the milk in 15 such bottle is. Okay. So first convert all these liters into milliliters. So 24,000 and 650 milliliters. Okay. So now this total quantity of milk is distributed among 29 bottles. Okay. So divide this value with this. So if you want to do a traditional approach, do it like this: 24,650. Okay. 24 8s are, which gives us 232. 150. 29 5s are 145. So here 0 means place 0 here also. So each bottle has 850 ml. Now the capacity of each bottle is 850 ml. Now what is the quantity if the same bottles, 15 bottles of such? So we need to multiply this value with 15 bottles. Okay. So we will get 500, 5 5s are 7, 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 8, 5, 0, which gives us 12,750 ml, which is 12 liter 750 ml. First one is the right answer here. In this question, they have given internal length, breadth, height of a cuboidal box, and cubical box has the side 9 cm. Ivan tries to pack 1800 cubical dice of side 1 cm each, and there's 2 boxes. The number of dice which are left and unpacked. So first, we need to find the volume of these two, cuboidal and cube. Okay, so write this volume 12 into 10 into 8. So 1 into 1 into 1, which is dice size. Okay, volume of the dice here. Now find the volume of this by volume of the dice here also, so that we will get a number of dice that can be fitted in both cuboidal as well as cube here. Okay, now cancel these value. 12 8s are 120, 128s are 960 here, 9 9s are, this value gives us 729. So add up these two values, 960 plus 729, so 9 8 16. That means total 1689 die size, 1 by 1 by 1 size dice can be fitted here. That means 1689 dice can be fitted in both cuboidal box and cubical together, but we have total 1800 here. So remaining, deduct this value 1689. So we left with how much here? So 11 and 100, that means 111 here. So fourth one is the right answer. A bag containing potatoes, onions, lemons weighs 46 kg, 160 grams. Okay, first calculate this total weight, 46,000 plus 160 grams, which gives us 46,160 grams. This is total weight. Weight of the potatoes and that of onions is given. Apart from this, they have given empty bag weight also. So first we need to add up these three values and deduct from the total value, so that we will get the net weight of the lemons. Okay, so first add up these three values, 17,000 and 115 grams, 15,325 grams, and then 120 grams. Add up these three values, 0 5 6 5 12, so 32,560 grams. First deduct, we need to deduct this weight from this total weight. Okay, you will left with 0 0 11 means 6 3, here one more value is here, so 13,600. So this is the total weight of the lemons, but for 1 kg 30 lemons can be weighted here. So that means we have total 13.6 kgs. That means we need to multiply this value with 30, so that we will get total number of lemons, that is 408. So this is our answer. Now the following has or have only 2 lines of symmetry here. So for equilateral triangle, if I draw equilateral triangle, it has 3 lines of symmetry here. So this is wrong. And rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry here. If I draw here, it will not be symmetrical to this portion. Okay, so this rectangle has only 2 lines of symmetry. So third one, rhombus also has 2 lines of symmetry here. Okay, so if I draw like this, it will not be same, this portion will not be same as upper portion, so that is why it has only 2 lines of symmetry. Coming to isosceles triangle, if I draw isosceles triangle, it has only 1 line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. So that is why option B and C both are, second option is the right answer here. B and C, both rectangular and as well as rhombus has the 2 lines of symmetry. So second one is the right answer here. Which of the following letters has rotational symmetry but no line of symmetry? First find the line of symmetry. So M has line of symmetry here, O also has 2 lines of symmetry here, X also have 2 lines of symmetry here, but Z has no line of symmetry. Okay, and if I rotate it for 360 degree, it will be same, it will be look like same. That is why it has rotational symmetry. So third one is the right answer here. A pentagonal pyramid has, pentagonal pyramid means which has the base as pentagon. Okay, so draw a pentagon on the base. So base should be like this one, pentagon only, but pyramid means all faces have triangular faces here. So it is a apex point, that is a vertex So it will be joined to that vertex. It has one face, two face, 3, 4, 5 and base one face. Total it has 6 faces. If coming to vertices, vertices means this portion, this portion, this portion, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has total of 6 vertices. Coming to edges, one edge, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Total it has 10 edges. I have already told in my previous videos, we have formula, that is relation between faces, vertices and edges. So faces plus vertices minus edges, which gives us 2. Let's check all these options one by one. First one is 6 faces, 6 edges. It has 6 faces, not 6 edges. First one is wrong. Second one, 6 vertices and 5 faces. It is also wrong. Third one, 6 vertices, okay, and then 6 faces. This is the right answer. Third one is the right answer. However, we'll check fourth option as well. 5 faces and 5 vertices. It is also wrong. So third one is the right answer here. The following table shows the number of visitors to elaborate in this first 6 days of a week. Okay, so on which day the number of visitors to the library was 29 more than its previous day. Okay, first we need to find the difference between previous day and the following day. Okay, so first start with Tuesday. Okay, the difference between 86 and 114, which is 28, so it is wrong. So next check the Wednesday. So 141 minus 114, which is 6 plus 21 means that is 27. It is also wrong. Thursday, it is wrong. Why? Because it should be more than previous day, but it is less than. That is why no need to check Thursday. Let's check Friday. So difference between 124 minus 95, which is 5 plus 24, that is 29. This is the right answer. Friday is the correct answer here. Second one is the sum of the next two numbers in the pattern. They have given pattern like this: 3, 10, 32, 99, and we need to find the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so here if you observe 3 times plus 1, okay, it is first number is getting 3 times and then addition. Next 3 times plus 2, here 3 times plus 3, here 3 times plus 4, here we need to do 3 times plus 5. Okay, so we need to find these two numbers here. Okay, what is the 3 times of 99 here? So 100, 300 minus 3, that means 297 plus 4, that is 301. And now apply the same analogy to this also. So 3 times, which gives us 903 plus 5, which is 908. Sum of these two numbers we need to find: 301 plus 908, which gives us 90 and 12. 12 not 91. 12 not 9 is the right answer. Second one is the right answer here. It's a matter of simplification only. So 101 into 210 minus 120 into 102 is equal to 99 into 104 minus x. We need to find the value of x here. Okay, so multiply this number first. 210 into 101, which gives us 0, 1, 2. So 0 means we can start from here. Same value: 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 0 here. Now multiply this value also. So 120 into 102, 2, 0, 2 2 4, 2 1 2. Again 0, 2, 1, 0, 4, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 0. And find this value as well. What is the value here? I am finding it. That means 104 into 99 means 4 9s are 36, 0, 3, 4 1s are 9 1s are 9. So 936 again, 6, 9, 12, 0. So 10296. This value we need to subtract. That means 1, 2, 2, 4, 0, 0, 7, 9, 8, 8, 9, 7, 0. We need to subtract this value from this value in order to get the x value here. I am getting x to this side. X is equal to, this value is 10296 minus 8970. So 6, 2, here 12, 9 means 3, 1. 1326 is the right answer here. Let's move on to the next question. Sum of the common factors of 36 and 48. First find the common factors of each number separately. Okay, but excluding 1, we need to exclude 1. Okay, we need to find the sum of all common factors. Okay, 2 is a factor of this number. So 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, what else, 18, 36. Okay, these are the factors of 36. Now find the factors of these also. 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 24, 48. Now Write all common factors here. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 6 6 plus here 12 here 12 12 plus anything else, nothing. So these are the common factors here. Add up all these values, you will get the answer. So 18 18 for 22 22 5 27 is the right answer here. So first one is the right answer.